Sorry, Taylor Swift, you know, kind of hit me a little too hard. I literally got this notification from Spotify yesterday that said you're one of the top 1% of Taylor Swift's fans listen to their radio station today. So, you know, I'm a dedicated Swiftie. Sorry for that. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having a good day. Today's video, trying environmentally friendly products. Why, you might be asking? Well, sorry, I'm like trying to think of how to say this in the best way possible that's gonna offend nobody. Well, obviously sustainable products now is becoming a really big thing and a really big top. Wow, we're gonna get serious for a second here. Sorry, I don't like getting serious, but here we are. Obviously sustainability is becoming a really big thing. There's a huge emphasis on reducing the use of single-use plastics because obviously plastic is not degradable, it's not compostable. I'm not an expert on the topic, but basically we need to reduce waste, tone down consumption. I was thinking about that because I just wrote a college essay thing on that. I was like, let's try some sustainable products that I haven't tried yet before for the video. Obviously we're going to have waste right now and we can't just go from tons and tons of waste to zero waste at all. It has to be kind of a gradual thing, and especially with like sustainable fashion, which is, you'll see some of that in this haul. Obviously sustainable fashion is a lot more expensive, and at this point you can't buy everything sustainably, if that makes sense. You can't buy every single item of clothing you have from a necessarily sustainable company, realistically, especially because some of the brands are super expensive, but when you can buy sustainably, yeah, it's good. I feel like I did a really bad job with this disclaimer, but there you go. So let's just get started. I'll link all the products down below. So this first thing are these bamboo cotton buds. They're 100% compostable bamboo cotton buds, is what it says on the package. These are basically a replacement for, you know, the like plastic Q-tips. This will still produce waste, but they're compostable rather than the plastic Q-tips. So I'm not gonna use them because I don't have anything to put them on, but these look really good. They feel nice and they're like the exact same price as normal Q-tips too, so I would recommend these. And now let's fast forward to last night. I tried this shampoo bar instead of a shampoo bottle. But this is a shampoo bar. These are obviously better for the environment because you're not using one of those plastic bottles. And with my long hair, which practically hits my waist, I go through shampoo so quickly. Look, it looks like a soap bar. It smells really good. I'll see you once I'm done showering because I'm not bringing the camera into the bathroom. Sorry. So obviously my hair is wet because I just washed it. The shampoo bar worked really well actually. Just like, you know, you just had to like rub it around a ton to get all the soap out. So it took a little bit longer than a normal like shampoo does with, you know, like a normal bottle. It literally took like 30 seconds. So I would recommend this product. And my hair is no longer greasy and oily. So that product definitely really worked. My hair is like not greasy at all, and it's the next day. The next thing is a bamboo hairbrush too. Obviously you don't use a hairbrush to the same extent that you use a Q-tip, but I just thought I would get a not plastic hairbrush because first of all I need a new hairbrush, and second of all, not plastic! This is my hairbrush right now. I've had it for like 7 years. The handle broke off like 5 years ago and half the bristles are missing. So I thought I'd get a new bamboo hairbrush. This is really cool because it came with this cute little headband too. Then here is the brush. Let's test it. Yeah, this is a really good brush. I like this one a lot because my thing with hairbrushes is a lot of the time the bristles are way too, what's the word? Stabby, I guess, if that makes sense, where they're like, will damage my scalp. And the next thing is these reusable makeup pad things, like reusable cotton rounds. These are cool because they come in a little laundry bag so you can easily wash them. These are pretty big, so it looks like this. It's like made out of washcloth material. So basically you put the eye makeup on this and then you just rub it around, throw it in the bag, throw it in the laundry, and you're good. I'm also not gonna like put makeup remover on them right now because I just put on my makeup and I'm not taking it off and then putting it on again, and then yeah, that's just too much of a hassle. And there are like 12 of these in here too, so that's really good. Then next are these bamboo toothbrushes, and also these are not charcoal ones. I know a lot of bamboo toothbrushes are charcoal infused, and apparently isn't charcoal's like helps your teeth get whitened, but then it scrapes off the enamel. So I'm pretty sure you're not like supposed to use charcoal, but like you can to whiten your teeth, but like it's not great for your teeth, you know. They came with 5. Ooh, this looks really nice. So it has this nice bamboo handle and the little bristles. I really like this because the bristles are really soft. Often I brush my teeth really hard. Sorry, this is really gross. But I brush my teeth really hard and I end up stabbing my mouth with a toothbrush. I won't be able to do that. So this is a really good product. This is really gross, so I'm just gonna brush my teeth and come back. That toothbrush was like the best product so far because the bristles were soft. The bamboo did not like feel woody or taste weird at all. It just was a good product and I would recommend that. My teeth feel nice and shiny and clean. Okay, so the final stuff is not like beauty makeup type care personal hygiene products. It's clothing and all this stuff that I got is from the brand. Sorry, this chair's squeaking so much, that's really annoying. It's from this brand Thread for Thoughts, which is a sustainable fashion brand. They sell like kind of athleisure clothes. I hate that word, but that's what they sell. So I'm also going on a ski trip soon. So I ordered a bunch of like ski thermal type wear, you know, from this brand during their President's Day sale. I'll link the stuff I got down below if they're still selling it because some of the stuff was on sale and they might have like sold out of it already, but I'll try to find it. I'll try. So the first thing I got was this black thermal thing. I got a little bit big. Actually, I get like all of my tops a little bit bigger that aren't tight because I like having these like sweater things that are loose. Yeah, it says on here, ethically made from sustainable materials, so that's always good. And the next thing I got were these like terry cloth, I guess, joggers. These are pretty lightweight. These are in zebra print. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna wear these as like pajama pants or something, or just like, you know, out and about. Then the final 2 things I got were these identical thermals that I just are a good base layer to wear. These look pretty warm, a good like heat retention type thing. So I got the one in this dark gray color and then one in this lighter gray color. But that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed me trying these things. I hope you guys, I don't know, want to go try this now. But thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, comment down and fun emoji, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Sorry, I need to stop ending my videos like this. It's really kind of awkward, so bye. I'm not flexible enough to do that, so we're not gonna do that. Whatever, okay, bye.